Hi guys, my name is May. I'm the registered dietitian nutritionist behind Nutrition Happens. Getting back into a routine after a fun summer of traveling is hard for everyone, but my best piece of advice is to keep things consistent because consistency is key. Now, even in super simple recipes, the quality of the ingredients is still important to me because as a registered dietitian, what I choose to put into my own body is exactly what I would suggest for my own clients. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to get the most out of one of my favorite pantry items and one of the healthiest nuts around, cashews. And we're going to be making 3 different recipes, starting with a Magic Green Cashew Dip, a Mojito Energy Bite, and a chocolate mango cashew bark. Now let's get started. That's it. 3 easy and simple recipes to get you back into a healthy routine.